everyone, it's Rene from the iPhone blog. We are at Macworld 2010, and I'm here with Buddy from Geodelic. How's it going, Buddy?
Good, thanks.
Right. So for our readers who aren't aware of Geodelic, tell us about it. What does it do? What is it?
So there are a lot of applications out there right now that use location, but Geodelic knows what location means. And what I'm saying right now is that we actually use location as context to bring you information that's relevant to your exact location. So if you're looking for a restaurant or a bar, you can quickly find that information. And we aggregate content from a variety of sources like Yelp or Twitter, Wikipedia. If you're at a movie theater, we give you movie times and trailers. So there's a whole lot of content packed in there. And what we allow you to do is just get your information by discovery. You don't have to search. There's no pressure to have to search Wikipedia to try to find it. If it's there, it's going to be on the page for whatever you're looking at. We've just introduced experiences, and why that's powerful is because now, if you go to a specific location, you get what's essentially a mobile guide. So if you go to Universal Studios, and you go to their Halloween Horror Nights event, you can actually enter their experience right through our application. So the application will realize that you're there, and say there's an experience that's available for this location, and then it will present to you things that only Universal Studios will be able to provide, and they are providing, such as ride times, an interactive map of the park, and also show times, all the amenities. It shows you everything about the park so that you can really efficiently plan your trip. Or if you're at the Hollywood Walk of Fame, you can look at all of the different stars that are on the wall, get information. And we're spreading this model more than just to attractions like the Hollywood Walk of Fame or to Universal Studios. We're also able to take this to campuses like the Google campus, or we're able to go to do a conference like the On Media conference in New York. So it's very exciting.
You can do schools maybe one day, like
right.
Or
and the other implication is that this is a really great way to show off what we're going to be opening in the next few months, and that's open publishing. So any person, any business, marketers, brands, they can actually author their own experiences, much as Universal Studios has partnered with Geodelic to do, and they'll be able to add their own content that's relevant to locations. So you could do your very own guide to the best rides at Six Flags. And if I go to Six Flags, I can see that you made this guide. It appears in my location already list. And so that you can cut down on all these apps for it. You don't have to have an app for every place. You are a one-stop guide, Geodelic, that helps bring you information relevant to where you are.
And if there's a guy I know who's crazy about roller coasters, I can just blank him off the list. I don't have to ever see him again.
Right, so it's sorted in order of priority. And so if there's a default experience for Six Flags, and Six Flags has branded their own experience, right, their official version, that will show up first. And then any subsequent versions, maybe you and I created, would show up next. That way we can make sure that the best content from the locations is where it should be.
Close up to the top.
Exactly.
All right, excellent. And it's available now in the App Store for the amazing low price of
Zero. And it's
free.
also on the Android market. You can search Geodelic there.
And if you're using an Android.
Yeah. And I have to tell you, we're actually going to embrace HTML5 and release on other platforms like BlackBerry in the coming quarters.
So for all of you dual wielders out there, you'll be able to Geodelic in both hands.
Right. But you should be on an iPhone.
Yeah, absolutely.
Because it's the best.
Absolutely. And I'm sending that one to Crackberry Kevin. All right, thank you very much, Lee. That's awesome.
Thanks.